a warm welcome to my channel and a warm welcome to this first premiere reading here in the reading for angels and lovers and wannabe lovers. Okay, what we do tonight, first have some ignition of light and from incense sticks. Okay, we've got some Tibetan sandalwood incense sticks, and whoever resonates with it, whoever knows about this, who has it at home, then this is your reading, because this is a reading for everybody, but this is a special message, okay? And tonight we're going to do the Celtic cross, okay? People enjoy life, and you know, I am the rainbow cup. No, I am the king of rainbow cups. No, what I wanted to say, I am rainbowy like in love with the cup, because cup stands for feeling. Cheers to all of you. Have a good sip. But we right now started it. I've got 3 different decks prepared for you. It's the Golden Universal Tower, the little guide deck, and we've got the Lightseers. You get them all on Amazon or wherever you want. And what I did, I just combined them all to, hello, here I am. I combined them all to a 3-party, very jammy deck. So I think not anybody has this, okay? So this is new, this is cool, and today we're gonna do a Celtic cross. This means we predict. We're talking about the past, the future, what are your possibilities, what are your fears, you know, and what's the big conclusion. So no further ado, we dive into it, okay? And you know, you're in the rainbow charts here, you're in the rainbow tarot. This is very lovely. Okay, we go on. So whoever resonates with it, you know, take it, but don't believe it so heavily in it, you know. Just let it be an inspiration, let it be your little guide to whatever you are. Welcome here, and if you want, subscribe, make some like, make some comments. Okay, we dive into it. We need the Celtic cross. Oh, there we have the first card. This is you, okay? We go further on. We've got a lot of cards. This is what crosses you or what supports you. And this is your fundament. Okay, we go on. Oh, these are too much cards. No, universe. Universe, please, only 1 card at one time. Thank you. So now we need what's above you. What is your biggest potential? And there we've got the potential. And with more cards. We've already got the past. And there we've got the future. So please Tarot, please Universal Energy, what's about, how do you see the person who is looking right now? There's the message. This is how you see this is how the universe, the overall energy sees you personally. Okay, we come to this later. If it's too boring for you, just rewind or just go on and look at the development of the cards. Okay, we still have 3 cards to go. Okay, and this is, oops, these are too much. The universe, please, 1 card at a time. Please, 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 please. There are so many messages. I think you are, or the person you're looking at, or whatever thing you're looking at, wants to talk a very lot, but we only need 1 card. Okay, there we have the cards. Here we go. This is what surrounds you. These are your fears. And ladies and gentlemen, lovers and angels, this is the final card. Okay, let's see. Who are you? Who is the Celtic cross? Who are you? Oh, look at that. Isn't this amazing? You are celebration. You are the queen. You are the king. You are the king of cups. See? You want to celebrate. This is the wow. And what crosses you or what supports you? Oh, transition, babies, babies. This is cool. Look, there's a butterfly. There's a lovely butterfly. This means the celebration. If you go into life, if you feel what you want, then you can transition, you know. You have to love yourself. You have to embrace life, party and celebrate, okay? And what's your fundament? What's your basic, okay? Healing, you know. You're gonna heal. You're gonna heal with the incense sticks. That's cool, isn't it? Oh, lovely. And what's the most lovely outcome of it all? Let's see. Oh, ho, ho, ho. What are you doing? This is the King of Cups. No, sorry, I'm sorry. This is the Page of Cups, you know. So you're gonna meet in the future somebody that gives you the cup filled of lovely lemons and probably ice cubes, you know, and he wants to give you a piece of his heart and his emotions, you know. But it's a page, it's not the king, so don't expect too much. Probably a flirt somewhere, you know, where you're gonna go. Probably a flirt, you never know. Be open, that's what's life all about, and have a little sip. Okay, what was the past? What was the past? Let's see. Oh, darling, darling, you had to be patient, you know, like the snail here, you know, but in a beautiful surrounding. And you know, the snail actually thinks he's fast, you know, but you had to be patient, okay. But these times are over. Now we'll see what the near future brings. Oh, what is this? This is the absolutely queen. The absolutely queen. This is the big arcana. You're gonna be the lovely one. You're gonna be healing. You're gonna do everything you want. This is amazing. Look at the shirt. Look how proud you sit there, you know, in your chair. This is lovely. So let's see what thinks the universe, how you are. Oh, darling, darlings, darling, angels and lovers, they think you're in your comfort zone right now. Okay, this is good for a time being, but you should go out of your comfort zone, you know? Not too much unhealthy, not too much here starch stuff, you know? Eat healthy, you know? That's what the universe wants you to tell. That's what I get. Okay, and the thing is, who or how is your environment? What's the environment? How does they see you? How does they help you? Okay, we've got a Six of Pentacles. Darling, darling, you have to look out, to look for yourself, you know. There you are, and you're giving and giving and giving. I think it's the time to receiving, you know. They all want from you, but you have to receive now. Okay, so stay calm, stay background, you know. They plague you, give something. No. Now it's the time that you receive. Okay, what are your fears? Your fears, darling, are that you get too much? No, abundance? No, you never can have enough of abundance. Don't fear abundance. Expect the most biggest outcome. Probably play lotto, or probably invest in some coins, in some bitcoins or whatever, huh? Go for it, darling. Don't fear if you have millions on your account soon, okay? Last but not least, this is the final outcome. Oh my God, fucking Christ. What is this? This is the king. You know, you are the queen and you are the king. And this is the King of Cups. This is the king of emotions, you know. If you go through the healing, you're gonna have this celebration and the transition, see? And you're gonna receive a Page of Cups, a young, lovely love. He will flirt with you, but you will be the king and you held your emotions and you will be open to everything, okay? Thanks, you darling. This was the message. Subscribe if you want. I love you.